Here in the question number 12, we are going to see what is the function, how we can find the pole. So the question is the pole of the function f of z equal to cot z at z equal to 0. For finding the pole, we need to do the Taylor series expansion for the given function. Our given function here it is, so you can pick up another thing. So the given function f of z is equal to, it's a given, it's a cot z. So what we can do, cot z we can't directly take the Taylor series expansion. You can convert it into the tan z because we know already the standard result for the tan z, the Taylor series expansion or Maclaurin series. Once if you done the Maclaurin series, then if you are taking the reciprocal of that 1 by tan z, it will give the final result. It's a 1 by z 1 minus 1 or z, you can call z square by 3. Anyway, after that all the terms are having only the numerator z, so it doesn't matter because we want to look at the given function where it is goes to infinity or where it is 1 by f having the 0. That the point, it is not analytic function. That means suppose if you look at this function, the right hand side, if you are substituting the z equal to 0, what would happen? Suppose if you are substituting the z equal to 0, my function, it will diverge. F of z goes to infinity. Where the function is not analytic, that means it doesn't have any value, it will blow up at the particular point. Where it will blow up mean, when z, if you are substituting 0, then this goes to infinity, then all, that means the function goes to infinity at z equal to 0. This is a point, the given function is not an analytic function. So here if you, this point you can call it's a pole of the given complex function or then the complex plane. This is a pole. So if you look at what kind of the pole is here, if you look at the order of the pole, because here z power 1, anyway the z power 1 goes to 0, that means the order of the pole is 1 because the z, the in the complex plane you, in general you will write it's a x, it's iy. So in general any point you can call it's a z point. This z in general you can write vector sum of x plus iy. This is a complex plane. So in this complex plane you can call the point where it is goes to infinity, the function goes to infinity, it's a pole. The order, if you look at the, you have to look at the power of the z, the here power of the z is 1, so the order is 1. So the order of the pole is 1, you can call it's a simple pole. So if the function is not analytic at the particular point, and if the pole order is 1, then you can call that pole is called simple pole. Hence if you look at the answer, if in the for the given question, if you look at that answer, it will directly lead to the option C. It's a simple pole. It's not a higher order pole, second order pole, third order pole. It's a simple pole. This is the answer for the given question.